Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm kicking off the series where I'm going to show you how to make a game called Meteor Galaxy in CodeHS using JavaScript. In this series, I'll show you how to program the game start to finish, so by the end you'll have the completed Meteor Galaxy game where you're going to be able to fly around in a spaceship and blast meteors to defend the galaxy. Along the way, I'm going to show you a lot of principles that'll help you take your projects to the next level. So those will deal with the JavaScript language itself. So I'll teach you some new concepts there that you might not have learned before, such as using switch statements. I'll teach you about using the CodeHS graphics library. So there's a lot of methods there that you may not have seen before. So I'll show you how to use some of those. And I'll also talk about the game design, so why I made some of the decisions I did when writing the game, so you can learn from those too. I'll also show you some cool programming concepts, such as setting up basic physics, so you'll be able to kind of drift around like you're in space, and also move in a direction that you're rotated in. I'll also teach you about collisions, so how to set up a collision system so the meteors can collide with the laser beams, and then the spaceship can also collide with the meteors. And then by the end of the series, you'll have the completed game, and hopefully you'll learn a lot of new things. So you'll be able to add to that project or any other project that you make, and share cool games with your family and friends. I'm making these videos to give back to the CodeHS and programming community. So I learned to program from CodeHS during my freshman year and on. And during my freshman year, I wrote a program called Drone Delivery. So it was a little game where you deliver packages with a drone. And I submitted that to one of their contests, and they featured my work on their Read Write Code blog page. And that was pretty cool. But now I've learned so much more since then. So if I were to write it today, it'd look totally different. So I'm going to take all those years of experience, and I took them and I packed them into this new Meteor Galaxy game, which I'm going to show you how to write. So hopefully you can learn from all those things that I learned from too. If you'd like to see some code working right away, you can create a new JavaScript graphics project in the CodeHS sandbox, and then head over to the GitHub. Right here is the code from video 5. You can do code from any of them. This is the Meteor Galaxy project. You can copy it and then paste it into the editor. So that way, if you want to get an idea what to expect from the videos, you can see the code that's running on the left and modify it too if you like, and then test out the project on the right, just so that you can see some code working right away and get a good idea of what to expect. So I hope you join me in this series and continue through with all the videos. I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye.